Do you guys talk about the possibility of making a BCS bowl, and is that motivation?
Yeah, of course. It's always in the back of our mind, but at the same time, we just trying to finish strong and dominate for us this season. Whatever we fall in the polls and whatever game we go to, we're gonna be happy and try to dominate that too.
Y'all gave some yards up in the air tonight, but y'all really shut down the running game. Is it a sense that if y'all can stop teams from running the ball, the passing is not going to be enough in the end to beat y'all by itself?
Yeah, well, of course you want to stop it, running team, especially a team like this who runs the ball quite well against teams. Of course you want to stop their running, make them pass a little bit. We feel like our secondary, we have one of the best secondaries in the country, and that's the linebackers we're in coverage a lot, so we feel like we can handle everything. But stopping runs is the main goal for us, especially for me being a linebacker. You don't want anybody to run through your defense.
Did you notice that they didn't have their starting running back with Darius Perkins didn't play in this game? Did that change anything y'all did?
Not really. I mean, I told Kevin at the second quarter, I'm like, I haven't seen 27 yet. Like I said, he's a prolific back. It didn't really change anything we were doing. We already had our game plan set, and we stuck with it.
Probably gotten this question before, but were y'all worried at all about the emotional letdown of this game? I know the crowd wasn't quite the same as it was last week. It seemed like y'all were maybe a little sluggish on that first drive, but it seemed like y'all figured it out.
Yeah, well, Tiger Stadium is it's a great place to prepare. If it's one fan out there, 9,000, we're gonna play our hearts out every time we step on that field. So the crowd, we get a lot of energy from the crowd, and sometimes the crowd might not be big, but you can always sense it, you can always feel it, we always feed off it. So whether the crowd there or not, we don't come out with this.